So I'm currently staying in Sweden for 6 weeks, and one of my favorite things about traveling in a new country is going to the local beauty supply stores and discovering all of the different skincare brands that I've never heard of before, and just kind of like trying out new and different interesting products. So for this video, I'm going to be testing out this product, which I found in the local Normal. It's kind of like a beauty supply store slash drugstore, but they also have like snacks and little gifts and all kinds of like interesting things. It's from a brand called Noella. It is a wax click pen for your face. I've never seen a product like this before, and I've also never waxed my face before in any capacity. The only time I've ever waxed any part of my body was my armpits when I was a teenager, and it was a disaster. I had sticky armpits for like 2 days. It was awful. So hopefully this goes better. Let's open it up and give it a try. I'm gonna try it maybe on my eyebrows a little bit. I don't know, maybe in my mustachy area. I don't really have very like dark hair on my face, but we'll see. It's advertised as no heating required. It's got 20 little waxing strips. Got the waxing pen. We've got instructions, which I should probably read, but probably won't. And then we have one post depilation wipe. I assume that is for soothing the skin and also removing any excess little bits of wax. I know the basics. You're supposed to apply it in the direction of the hair growth and peel it off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Do we want to do this first? I feel like eyebrows are risky. I mean, on the other hand though, I feel like this is a very small applicator. Let's just go ahead with the eyebrows. I'm gonna read the instructions. Okay, let's hope I don't remove parts of my eyebrow I don't want to remove. So first we're gonna warm it up in our hands like so. And then it says for the first use to just give it a few clicks until it's near the front of the nozzle. You can see it's moving. I'm so nervous. I feel like I'm about to do something really stupid. Oh, okay. So the hair grows upwards, so we're gonna, oh God. That's very sticky. The hair goes upwards, so we're gonna apply this upwards. Oh God. I never wanted for my social media audience to get this close to me. Okay, we're gonna apply this in that same direction. So press it down and, oh God, 1, 2, 3. I had no idea I had that much hair there though. That worked so well. Oh my God. That's like low-key, ew. I didn't know I had that much hair. Oh my God. That was crazy efficient. I feel like I didn't get close enough on this side. I feel like I want to like remove a few more here, but I'm scared to get too close because I don't want to over wax, like remove too much. But wow, that was crazy effective. I low-key want to try it here now. But again, these are like so small and this is such a large area to try to do. I feel like it's kind of a waste. Like this is really more for like eyebrows and like mustache. Do I even have hair here? I know I do, but it's like not a lot. Is it even worth it? But damn, that looks, I can't believe that. Okay, you know what? Let's try to clean up under my eyebrows just a little bit. I really hope I don't mess this up because my eyebrows are one of my favorite features and I don't want to mess them up. This is like really risky. I don't want the rest of my Sweden trip to be me with terrible eyebrows. This is fun. I can see how you might get addicted to this. Okay. Again though, I don't have that much. There's just like a couple of hairs there. Ooh, that's sticky. Okay, let's just, okay. Press it down. And 1, 2, 3. Oh God. Ouchie. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a little raw. It's a little raw. It's a little sticky. I feel like I feel the need for the wipe, but I don't want to waste the wipe because there's only one wipe in this set and I don't feel like I need it that bad. Not gonna lie, I mean, this is a lot more risky than plucking because I feel like it's really easy to mess it up. But on the other hand, it's a lot less uncomfortable than plucking because I don't know about you, but whenever I pluck my eyebrows, it's just like something about it really bothers my facial nerves and I'm just like tearing up and sneezing like crazy. Okay, I'm recycling the one I used for my, I don't want to call it a unibrow, but it's a unibrow. Okay. So yeah, I feel like with this, it's just less painful. The pain is just in one fell swoop and then it's over. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oof. I might have did too much. I don't know. Did I? No. That is a good looking eyebrow, except for the redness. But you know, that's okay. My eyebrows are uneven by their nature. This one is like more arched and then this one's a little thicker and a little more straight. Let's do the other one since we're all here. Let's do the other one. I'm having fun. Feels like it should be warmer. I think I should have warmed it up a little more because it's a little too sticky for my liking, but okay, I'm scared that I'm gonna fuck this one up. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. That is a lot of hair. I'm not gonna lie. That is a lot of hair. Woo. Did I do okay? Am I gonna regret this tomorrow? I don't know. Lately I haven't been plucking my eyebrows or anything. I've kind of just been letting them run wild. So I'm a little scared I've forgotten how to do this the right way. Other than the redness, this is like fine. I'm really happy with these results. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a yes from me. Again, it is the Noella Wax Click Pen. I found it at Normal. They have a lot of other waxing products at Normal from this brand and from other brands. I don't know why I decided I'm gonna take up waxing as a hobby during winter, but here we are. We're doing it. We're having fun. I also bought like a sugaring kit from a different brand and I think I would like to try that on this, but first my legs. But that's gonna be another video. Anyway, we're a little red and a little more hairless, but feeling good. Like I should. Something the neighborhood. Nice. Thanks for watching. I'm just gonna go all in. I'm not convinced that my mustache is that prominent, but you know, why not? I think I should put this in front of a heater or a radiator or something. I am gonna put it on those moles because I know I get a little bit of extra like darker hair there. Oh God, this looks ridiculous. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is gonna hurt. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, tears, a little bit of tears. I think I should have like held my skin taut a little more. Didn't really get them here, but I do see some fuzz on there. Can one get addicted to waxing? I feel like I might do that in Sweden. I don't really see a lot of like waxing products in store in Germany. Or maybe I just don't pay attention because I live there, so I take all the products and stuff for granted and I'm always like, oh, I'll try it another time. But I don't know, here, like at Normal, they had like a whole waxing products section, which I feel like they don't really have that in Germany. I look ridiculous. I'm gonna go grab an ice cube or something and go now because I feel a bit absurd.